Using Visitation Book is very easy. Once you create your account, you can either create a visitation book or an obituary. Once you select create a visitation book, you will need these 4 items. Select the cover that you like to use. You can add a picture of your loved one, and then you can select what items you want them to fill out. So let's start out with selecting a loved one. Now let's give her a name and when she was born, and when she rested. Let's select a specific cover. Now let's make the payment. And now we can select what do we want the guest to add as far as a picture, as their information. You would like them to add a picture of themselves with the loved one, or just a picture in general. You like for them to add any special notes and thoughts and memories. And then here you can change the color of the text to make it more personable. In this case, we're going to go with dark red. Let's say next, and that is it. So now we can set up our thank you note for attending, and we can go in here and modify what we want them to receive, and we can add a nice second picture in here. If we want, or we can even add a link, and we can format this any special way. And once we finish with this, we just hit done. And now that's our thank you cards that will go out. And then we click on view QR code, and this is what the end users will scan in order to sign the book. And then if you like for it to be on a screen, you would use this feature. If you want to print out the QR code with this, you would use this feature. If you want to print out all the signatures of people who have signed the book, you would use this one. And this here is what it will look like if you just wanted to view it. And so far there are no signatures at this time. And just to close it. And this here is if you want to modify the information you just put in. And if you want to delete it and start all over, that's what this button is for.